Do you have a pre-1980s classic car and you want to roll with the cool kids and raise some money? Stick around. G'day throttlers and welcome back to the channel. Now, if you're new here, my name's Rob and I'm essentially an enthusiast that likes to share my knowledge and my experience with bikes, cars, boats, food destinations and gear. But today we're talking about a brand new event called the Gentleman's Drive. Okay, by now you no doubt have heard about the Distinguished Gentleman's Ride, where classic styled motorcycles all ride on the same day right around the world and raising money for men's health. So the genius, Mark Hawa, Mark, I called you a genius. He's behind the idea of the Distinguished Gentleman's Ride. He's also behind the idea of Gentleman's Drive. Now this year, 2021, is the inaugural Gentleman's Drive worldwide. So it's going to happen on the 26th of September, a Sunday, and it's going to be run in 36 countries, and there's going to be 91 drives for its first year out. And this is going to grow exponentially like the Distinguished Gentleman's Ride does. So what do you need to have to get involved on the day? You need to have a pre-1980 motor vehicle, a nice classic, vintage, whatever you've got, pre-1980s, it has to be for you to be able to bring it on the day. There are some exceptions, but you need to contact the team at Gentleman's Drive for that. Some of the exceptions are a modern version of a classic styled car, whatever that might be, but you need to get approval from the team at Gentleman's Drive for that. All right, so taking the description directly from the gentleman'sride.com website. On the same day, thousands of drivers around the world will start their engines for a cause. Each local event is organised by passionate volunteers with the united goal of raising funds and awareness for men's health and our charity partner Movember. Drivers register on the Gentleman's Drive website and are encouraged to create their profile to share amongst their family and friends with the goal of raising funds and awareness for prostate cancer and men's mental health. Once registered, drivers receive their private drive information for their local event taking place on Sunday, September the 26th. This is where drivers connect with their Distinguished Gentleman's Drive participants at the start and end locations with a fantastic drive in between. And for those of you who have followed Distinguished Gentleman's Ride over the years, you know that these are held in some of the most amazing locations right around the world, and that's only a good thing if you want to get involved. Now, what am I going to be rolling in on the day, you might ask? Clearly, I don't own a classic car. It is on the shopping list though, but it's not here yet. My cousin has kindly reached out and offered me his Chrysler 1979 CM Regal V8 to use on the day on 26th of September. I'm super excited, beautiful car, and all going well, Dave will be joining me as well on the day. Now we've signed up to the Wollongong Gentleman's Drive, so anyone who wants to join us on the day with your classic cars, we've signed up for the Wollongong version. I know that the drive down there is going to be absolutely phenomenal, but if you're in Sydney, there's also a Sydney option and a Blue Mountains option as well. So, just in case you don't have a classic car, just in case you can't get out on that particular day, just in case you still want to help, remember this is a charity fundraiser. Yes, we're going to be driving in cool cars, wearing really nice clothes and having a good time, but the bottom line is the fact that we are raising money for Movember, for men's mental health, for suicide prevention, for prostate cancer research, for testicular cancer research. This is the important thing about the day. Mark Hawa and the team at Distinguished Gentleman's Ride and Gentleman's Drive are one of the greatest fundraising groups from Movember worldwide. They've raised over $20 million US in 10 years. It's a phenomenal thing, and this is snowballing now with Gentleman's Drive. So you can get involved by donating. Down in the comment sections below, my donation link will be there for Gentleman's Ride. You can donate to me, or you can go straight to gentleman'sdrive.com and you can just donate to anyone you want or just the cause itself. So please get involved. This is a great thing. Every bloke out there watching this is a charity that you should be supporting. Movember is the charity that helps us blokes get through life the way we need to get through life. So I can't think of a better charity. It's one of my favourite charities to support, bar none. Well, that's it, team. Another video done. As you can see, we're still in Sydney lockdown. I think we're going into week 8 of lockdown now, and we're all going just a little bit crazy, I might say. But I needed to film this and I needed to get it out, so I've made it in my garage today instead of on some beautiful road. If you're in lockdown and you're struggling, reach out. Send me a DM, give me a phone number, I'll call you and we'll have a chat and just talk it through. Also, Lifeline, Beyond Blue. Call these people, talk to the people that you need to, family and friends. If you're struggling, make sure you're talking, please. Share the struggle. We're all struggling just that little bit, so make sure you're not doing it on your own. Anyway, folks, please stay safe, throttle on. Until the next video, see you later.